I just got so much work done. I'm so proud of myself. I filmed 2 YouTube videos, I took photos for 2 blog posts, I've edited and uploaded last week's vlog. All I need to do now is go through my college work that I've got hand in tomorrow and correct all my spelling mistakes, and I'm done for the day. I'm so impressed at how productive I've been. Hey guys, so it's actually Wednesday and I didn't vlog at all yesterday because I just wasn't feeling very well at all. My colitis was flaring up quite badly. Eric came to see me on the night time and I was not myself. I had such a bad stomach and I was in a lot of pain. I had a bit of a fever as well. I am feeling a little bit better today after sleeping for so many hours. I am at the Body Shop event tonight and I'm going to still try and go along and see how long I can stay there for before I just feel like I have to leave. I'm too nosy to not go basically. So hopefully I'll get quite a bit of footage later on and I will see you when I'm there.
Picture of me doing that. Thanks.
Just got to my car. I had a lovely time. Thanks again to Rebecca from the Body Shop in Eldon Square for inviting me. It was absolutely brilliant and did a bit of damage. Never mind. Good morning guys, so it's Friday and I wasn't sure if I was going to vlog this morning, but it's quite a big part of my life, so I thought I might as well put it into my weekly vlog because I do want to keep the whole thing kind of honest and true. I'm on my way to my hospital appointment. I have to have regular appointments to monitor my condition and I'm really glad that it's come up this week because I feel like I've been getting worse the past couple of weeks. So yeah, I'll probably update you afterwards to see how things are. I have a feeling I'm going to have my medication changed anyway, but yeah, I'll see you there. So I'm finally home. Basically, I had a bit of a nightmare at the hospital. I had to go for like bloods and then an x-ray and my medication's been upped. Basically it's been doubled and I've had it changed a little bit. And if I'm not feeling better in 3 weeks, I've got to have another scope test. Then I've got to go back anyway in 6 weeks to check how I'm doing. I'm literally like, I've just gotten in bed when I got home because I just don't feel very well, and I'm just cuddling Daisy. Mwah. She's been dead sweet. She's always right next to us when I'm not very well, aren't you? So I think this is just going to be me for the rest of the day, to be honest. I don't really have anything else to say. I think I'm just going to watch YouTube from bed, maybe put Netflix on. Never mind. Hi baby, give me a kiss. Okay, so I'm feeling a little bit peppy now that I've had quite a rest. It's now 3:30 in the afternoon, so I've been in bed for quite a long time. And I had a bit of a shock today when I was at the hospital when they weighed me. And I've put on quite a lot of weight in the last 2 years. I've gained 2 stone. And I don't think I'm fat or anything, but I'm definitely like, in this angle, look alright. I have a really big bottom half. In comparison to the rest of my body, I'm very pear-shaped, so unless you see me in person, you can't see how wide I am on the bottom. And it's a difficult one because you're always going to have people saying, oh, you're fine, you're skinny, or you look fine and things like that, but it's how you feel in yourself as well. Overall, I've gained quite a lot of weight since being on these different medications, and since not working and not being as active and not being able to eat as healthily as I used to. So I'm currently looking at gym memberships, and it's going to be quite hard for me to get back into going to the gym. I used to go to the gym. I used to do fitness classes and things, and I used to really love them. I got too ill to go, and I was really struggling, and I was really fatigued, and I was in pain, and I found it quite hard to just get up and go. I'm sure loads of people have had this problem as well. So I'm feeling like if I vlog it, it's going to make me more motivated to go, because it's more content as well, and I'm talking about it, and I need to stick to my word if I say I'm going to do it. So for me, the most important thing is classes, so that's what I'm looking at, the kind of classes they have and how often they're on, and whether they're included in the membership. Because the classes are more fun for me, and they're the ones that kind of keep me going, as opposed to just going to the gym by myself and doing a workout. It's an awkward one, but I'm planning on actually getting this done and getting down to a weight that I'm happier with and makes me feel more comfortable. And I think that's the most important thing out of all, is being comfortable and happy. I don't want to be like super skinny. I just don't want to continue to gain weight like I am because of the steroids and lack of activity, and just, I don't know. I don't want to be skinny again. I just want to be healthy. So I'm going to give it a go. We'll see. So I haven't vlogged yet today because I haven't been feeling very well, but I've dosed up on painkillers and paracetamol because I'm going out for a meal and to see Thor Ragnarok for a friend's birthday. Eric said happy to go be seeing Thor.
Woo!
And I'm feeling a little bit like more myself now that I'm...
Fireworks.
The dogs are barking at the fireworks because it's Saturday the 4th, and I'm assuming everyone in this area is now just going to be setting them off. Just so you know, we're not leaving them alone in the house when the fireworks are going off. My nana is here and looking after them, so they'll be fine. And my nana has the telly on very loud, so they should be okay. And we'll probably, should we stuff a Kong for them before we leave, Eric? Because the fireworks display is tonight.
Yeah. Thor.
To be distracted by someone's phone screen. Am I right?
I'm dressed up all cosy because we're going to go and see a fireworks display. They're so little.
Isn't it?
Whee! Careful. I'm just holding mine.
Star Wars.
Eric! You can't do that. Fun fact about sparklers, when I was like 2 or 3 and I had one when I was little, sitting in a high chair in the back garden, I stabbed myself in the forehead with it and now I've got a scar. Like, yeah. Just so you know. Stay safe, kids.
Don't do drugs.
Don't do sparklers.